Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I got some Happy Mail today. Today is Wednesday and this came in last night, so I didn't get to open it yet. And it is from Crafty Mama Panda. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm trying not to show the addresses, so there we go. As it has it on the flap here. So she asked me a while ago if I could give her my mailing address because she wanted to send me something. And oh my god, you guys, hold on. I want to get a sorry. I want to get a little cup so we can put some of this goodie stuff in. I got my confetti from Gabby, and now this one's from Crafty Mama Panda, or is that say it? Crafty Mama Panda, yep. And oh my goodness, I'm just trying to pour all the confetti in. Whoops. Alright, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Guys, she did not have to send me all these goodies, but look at what she did. Let me see. I think I found the note. Oh, it's so cute. Look. It's a cute little panda. And it just says, hello, hope you and your family are doing good. Just wanted to send a little happy mail or rack to spread some happiness. Hope you enjoy all the little goodies. Have an amazing day. Nai Seli. YouTube and Instagram is Crafty Mama Panda. So cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so cool. She made a little flower kit. That is so cute. Oh, and a little tea bag. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you so much, Nai. I love how she did this. How she used her fuse tool to make these little sealed pockets. And these are little kits. And look, she even put like little sentiments and little flags. And this is crepe paper right here and some string and a little bit of tape. I think it's a mini envelope. Yep, mini envelope. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Santoro. Is this the, I got excited. I got ahead of myself. But who, is this the Gorgeous Girls? No. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. Who are these little girls? Oh my god, I love her idea. She just took a fuse tool and made little pockets. I love this. So cute, guys. So super cute. And please go check her out. Crafty Mama Panda. It's the same on YouTube and Instagram. These gorgeous little goodies are so adorable. Thank you so much, Nai. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to tear these open and get to play. You know what? Yeah. I can't wait. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please go check out her channel and check her out also on Instagram. I do tend to like a lot of her creations on the Instagram page. So please let her know you come from my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so we could do more videos like this. Oh my gosh, so cool. Thank you, Nai. Thank you. And have a great week, guys.